Speaker sir, home guarding. Speaker sir, what is the point of order? Under which rule? Speaker sir, under which rule is he raising a point of order? Under which rule? Tell him to tell.
Speaker sir, how can you 422 520 Speaker sir, कसले bulletin काटा सर तुम्ही? कसले bulletin काटा?
Speaker sir, I am not scared of shouting.
Speaker sir बोले
These animals were shouting.
point ना मान पाहिजे Speaker sir.
You should give me the.
Please complete.
तुम्ही change करता मैं कोणाला धमका देता Speaker sir.
Speaker sir, असले आम्ही कितले पळयल्या. हे कितें उलयता?
Speaker sir,
रस्ता
हाऊसातल्या बाकीच्या मेंबरांकूय बी तुम्ही न्याय दिवपाक जाय.
Speaker sir, point of order कसलो? What is the point of order?
Point of order
on my feet.
Why do you display list and why you tell you press the button?
You can't listen.
Point of order.
तुमचे पोटान दुखता.
Speaker sir, that is the point of order.
तुम्ही विकता ते expose जाता हे दुखता.
There is a sequence to do 1 hour how you can speak Speaker sir.
सर, voice चोरपा घाल्लो. voice लुटपा घाल्लो. कोणाका खायलो दिसता.
You please complete, honorable member.
Complete, but there is no point of order. Otherwise, cite the rule.
Why there is no point of order? Why is the listing done, Speaker sir? This is the point of order.
Hey,
whatever is Speaker sir, if the listing is done, what is the point of order?
Katsa side.
What is the point of order?
Hey.
Here I will explain what is the point of order.
What is the point of order? Which rule? I want to know the rule. Speaker sir, वो कोण उलयता?
BSC meeting in order.
Honorable member.
What is he?
Business Advisory Committee
आपका bulletin
decided
Speaker sir.
opposition certain time. Each member will speak. त्याप्रमाणे प्रत्येकान बोलवचे.
Speaker sir, Business Advisory Committee.
Everybody has a right.
Mr. Dikambar Kamath is not in Business Advisory Committee. For all that I know. So he doesn't have to tell me. So don't tell me the rules. Request me probably. I will do it. Request me. Don't do dadagiri. I am not scared of dadagiri.
Speaker sir, dadagiri
it is a justice Speaker sir, तुम्ही BSC ची meeting
Chief Minister is speaking.
Speaker sir,
Chief Minister is speaking.
Is Mr. Cabral the member of BSC?
Speaker sir,
I should not be a member. But the minutes are circulated, the points are circulated. I'll show it to you.
Show me the minutes.
I'll show you.
Show me. Put it on the table of the house. Show it.
1 minute.
Don't talk from the head because somebody has coached you.
Speaker
They
sir.
are not going to. तुका साऱ्याकूच मारला.
Honorable member.
साऱ्याको मारपा हात आहे.
Speaker sir, ताका सांगात BSC चे.
Speaker sir, आता कितलो टाइम वेस्ट केलो? हे उलोवन कितलो टाइम वेस्ट केलो?
Honorable Chief Minister.
म्हाका एक सांग, तू टाइम वेस्ट केलो म्हणटा 1 वर जाले तू उलयता. Speaker sir, आमचे ठरलेले कितें? तर maximum to 30 to 40 minutes leader of opposition.
Speaker sir,
ताज्या उपरांत
मुखेलमंत्री डिस्टर्ब करून खंय पावता? बरे भशेन मुखेलमंत्र्यान म्हाका जर सांगलें तू बस पुरो जालें म्हणून आमकां दुखपा लागलें म्हणून आतां.
Begin so far. 2 मिनिटां दिता.
तुमचे काय उरना तुमचे नाक उरना
2 मिनिटां दिता.
म्हाका बरे भशेन रिक्वेस्ट
2 मिनिटां सोपय.
1 वर पुराण ऐकला आम्ही 1 वर.
स्पीकर सर तुमकां एक्सपोज केल्ले आहा वो सरकार लूटमार करता.
एक्सपोज खबर आहा हेणी सांगपाची गरज ना, हेणी पुराण सांगपाची गरज ना.
स्पीकर सर पुराण हें आहा की गोंय विकपाक काडलां, बिलां हाडटात गोंय विकपाची, सगळें करतात गोंय विकपाची. हें आनी सांगपाची गरज ना.
स्पीकर सर आमकां हेणी सांगपाची गरज ना, गोंयकार आमकां सर्टिफिकेट दितले दिवपाक जाय.
गोंयकार सर्टिफिकेट तुका आजूच चॅक कर कसली मेळटली.
प्लीज कंप्लीट.
आनी ते काबरालाक पळय फाल्यां येता हांव कुडचड्यार पळोवया सर्टिफिकेट कितें आहा तें. कुडचड्यार येवन मिटींग घेवन दाखयता हांव.
प्लीज कंप्लीट.
सर्टिफिकेट. स्पीकर सर